Instagram allows its users to send disappearing photos and videos within their direct messaging interface, and in this video, I will be showing you how to send disappearing photos and videos in Instagram DMs. Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel GetAssist.net, where I talk about email services, social media, troubleshooting and latest trends. And let's begin with today's topic. First of all, open the Instagram app and then tap the direct message icon in the top right corner. Now here you can select an existing conversation or tap the new chat icon to start one. Then tap the blue camera icon in the bottom left corner. From there you can snap a new photo or video using the shutter button at the bottom, or swipe up to select one from your device camera roll. You can edit the photo if you want. Once you are ready with the photo or video that you want to send, select View Once to have the image disappear from your conversation after being opened, or allow replay to let them view it twice, or keep in chat to have it not disappear at all. Then tap Send. That's all it takes to send disappearing photos and videos in Instagram DMs. That was all for this video. I hope you found it helpful in some way, and if you are looking for some more information, you can visit my website, that is GetAssist.net, where I post similar content. With that, I will take the leave now. We'll see you the next time.